This is going to be a quick video about camtwist Studio. What you do is you go to camtwiststudio.com and you will do that through your browser. So you go to Google, go to camtwiststudio.com. I'll show you how it works. C-A-M. Camtwist for Mac. It says Camtwist for Windows. I have never used that, but Camtwist. Okay, so here's your Camtwist Studio, and then you're going to download onto your Mac, and that is going to be for free. Okay, so once it's downloaded onto your Mac, you can go to the icon, which on mine is right here. You open it up. Okay, it's already open on my Mac is got some issues. So, okay, so here's Camtwist. And you'll open up and you'll have this selection. And I am going to press clear effects because I have some saved effects there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to video source and go to webcam. And then you're going to press PIP. Okay, so that's going to be for your iPad. Okay, and then that is in your effects in use right over here. Then you are going to go to webcam when you sign into Camtwist, and you're going to press select again. But that's going to just be for you. So you're going to have a webcam and you're going to have webcam PIP. So when you go to this, when you sign into VIP Kid, instead of choosing the camera from your computer or your external camera or something like that, when you're in the classroom, you can choose, okay, I can't show you right now because you have to wait till 10 minutes before class. That's kind of a bummer. But what you'll do is you'll choose Camtwist instead of your camera, whatever camera you used before. Now, if you want a better lighting on your computer, I like to go down in the effects and you can go to Gamma Adjust. You can add that to your selection. So I use Gamma Adjust, which helps me to give a little bit more light to my picture. Now, right now, I do not have my iPad hooked up. But if you have your iPad hooked up, you can use a USB on one end, and then it has a charger on the other end, and you hook up your iPad to your computer. And when you do that, you can go to this picture-in-picture right here. You go to webcam settings, and right now it says FaceTime. That's my camera that I have right now. But you will have a choice here to do your iPad. And right now I'm not doing that, but I want to see what I'm going to get from my camera, my Camtwist. I go to preview up here. I go to view up top, preview here, open it up, and there you can see me twice because I have the picture-in-picture. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to show you something. You see me twice because I don't have my iPad hooked up and I have the picture-in-picture. But when you go to your picture-in-picture, you can go to PIP settings, click on that, and then I can see this box with me in it. This will be your iPad, and you can make it smaller by scale and bigger like this. And you can also use this nudge tool to move it wherever you want. So this can be your reward. And it's really pretty easy once you get into it. Now, so for image overlay, you just go to any picture that you make, and then you can drag it into that spot. So if I want that picture, fine. If you want to switch it to something else, you can do that. You can make a picture on your like Canva, and you can make a special image overlay, which I do have. I think it's saved. And then you can save your settings too. Yeah, that's my image overlay that I usually use. And so if my student is late, what I will do is there's my preview. So if my student is late and I don't want it to cover up my entire screen, I will go ahead and make this a little smaller so you can kind of see me in the background. So you gotta press highlight image overlay, and then you scale it down a little bit so then you can see me kind of a little bit in the background. And so that when the student is late, then they can kind of see me behind it, and then I click it off, but it's not like I can be seen completely. So that's it. At some point I'll make a better video, but right now I don't really have time. So, all right, hope this helps.